Hello everyone! So today I felt like making something cozy, creamy, and a little fancy, but don't worry, it's super simple. First we pour in half a liter of milk, so easy. Then we go with some sugar around 100 grams or 6 tablespoons if you are not in a mood to measure. Now rice flour, trust me, this is what makes the magic happen. About 4 tablespoons or 50 grams. And just a couple spoons of rose water. The smell is already making me so happy. Mix it up very well, we don't want any little flour. This dessert is something I always go back to. It's soft, sweet, and it smells amazing. Also, it only needs like 4 ingredients. That's a win, right? Alright, let's continue and don't blink or you'll miss it. Now we heat it up gently, low flame and lots of stirring. This part is like therapy, just you and the spoon. Stir, stir, stir. It will start to bubble and thicken. That's when you know it's ready. This dessert comes together super fast, like maybe 10 minutes of your time. Ideal for busy days or just when you feel like treating yourself something sweet and fast. I've got 3 little bowls from this, perfect for sharing or, not sharing. By the way, do you guys have a favorite quick dessert? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. Top it with whatever you love, coconut powder, pistachio, or cinnamon powder. Today I went with coconut powder, but honestly, cinnamon is my forever favorite. If you make this, tell me what toppings you used. I wanna know. You can serve this dessert warm or cold, both ways are delicious, but personally I like to chill it in the fridge first. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, maybe subscribe, no pressure, but I love you forever and thank you so much for your support. Alright, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next videos.